to my party, we're just getting started. A life is a dream or a nightmare scarring. Hand me a drink cause I think I'm going all in. Get me a shrink who can catch me when I'm falling. Cover up my scars, flip the handlebars, crashing in my car, wake up in a bar. I'll be a superstar, just on my avatar. This world is so bizarre, empty out the reservoir. Yeah,
I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy, don't think I'll get on safe. So I'm taking 6 shots, all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me? I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy, don't think I'll get on safe. So I'm taking 6 shots, all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me? Sometimes you need to let loose, grab juice, get goose, tattoos, taboos, get screwed. Loosen up, buttercup, all those hate comments will never make you feel enough. We're all adequate graduates, heart full of calluses, but we know calculus. Damn, ain't that fabulous? Can't wait to apply all those mathematicus. But we can't get a job that pays us enough. I'm about to pop off. Fuck you, you're lost. We all know that we never really want a boss. So I'ma do what I want to, something I can't undo. Yeah, I'ma do what I want to, something I can't undo. I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy, don't think I'll get on safe. So I'm taking 6 shots, all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me? I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm
That's awesome, bro.
So, see, we got alligator, ostrich, elephant.
Elephant. So, which one is alligator?
This is for alligator. Ostrich. This is the ostrich back where they pull the feathers.
Yeah.
This is the ostrich leg.
Yeah.
This is the elephant. And the lacing is all kangaroo.
Kangaroo
Kangaroo is stronger than feathers.
Empty out the reservoir. Yeah.
I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm
Hey, I'm with Freddie.
Hey, this is Blackula.
This bike is Blackula. So this is one of them over here. So he did everything by himself. All leather. Awesome.
Yes, we got alligator. We've got crocodile.
Yeah.
We've got ostrich.
Whoa.
And we've got kangaroo.
Hey, what year is this bike?
This is the 2014 Street Glide Special.
2014 Street Glide Special.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
103. And we got Blackula t-shirts too.
Blackula t-shirts. How much is it?
These t-shirts are $30.
$30. Okay.
Hats are 20. Hoods are 50.
Hoods are 50. Hey, can you tell me about this one?
Yeah.
About this? About this one? Here.
This is my version of Willie G on steroids.
Willie G on steroids.
Yes, sir. These are casted by us, chrome plated,
and then it has
This is my spine, my vertebrae. 2 vertebrae short of being normal.
Yeah. Right. And tell me about the signature here.
Yes. The signature here, this is Gene Davidson. And this is John Davidson Oakley.
Oh, okay.
Yes, and then check these signatures out.
Right.
Oh my goodness.
This one.
We've got Michael Davidson.
Right.
We've got Willie G, the Godfather.
Willie G is
And
your
we got Bill Davidson.
Wow, sort of don't wash it, man.
Oh no, we don't wash it. We just
be
blow
careful.
the dirt off.
Hey, Freddie, thanks so much. I really appreciate that.
Likewise.
So, hey, don't forget to subscribe and GregCD channel. GregCD channel.
Okay, got that. And Freddie Franklin 5374.
5374. All right. See you later, man. Peace.
Shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this